Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. Let's get into Clarencenyc. She was feeling down on New Year's Eve, so I did this. Let's get into it.
I even mentioned that at all about today. But it's New Year's Eve in a couple hours, about to be New Year's.
Happy New Year's, Petty fam. Yay! Hope y'all enjoyed your holiday. Yay! Hope y'all having an awesome week of the new year.
January 1st, 2023. You know what I'm saying? So that's about to be big. But I'm gonna say one thing we gotta get better at is planning. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we be wanting to do things, sometimes we don't. But when we do, we decide to do them very late. Do you know what I'm saying? So when we wanted to go to New York at first, not knowing that my mom was coming here to watch Legend and see Legend, so us going back with her just didn't really make sense at all. So now we're home, you know what I'm saying? And we didn't get to plan anything because we thought we was going to New York. But since we didn't plan it, we not going, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go downstairs and just show y'all how mopey Queen is being. She's over here moping around. This is her.
Claire, I told you I eat Petty fam. Claire is hilarious to me. He said she moping around. Come on, Queen. He gonna help her out though. You know she love Claire, so he know what to do.
Like just like, but I do get it. You know what I'm saying? Queen is used to like being around family and being around things for the holidays and stuff, you know what I'm saying? And since we're like here alone, like my family's not in Atlanta, her family's not in Atlanta, we spend a lot of holidays together, you know what I'm saying? So I get it. And every holiday I try to like make it fun and spice it up, but you know, it's all about building your own tradition, you know what I'm saying? So we're still young and we're building that. You know, I'm bored too, you know, but there's no one else I would rather spend a holiday with or whatever, you know. So I'm gonna see if we could just turn it up a little bit. I'm gonna go downstairs, record a little bit, and see if we could run to the store or something and maybe make something out of nothing, you know? Just trying to put a smile. I mean, Queen's happy. I'm just saying, just make, you know, my girl happy. I want to get her in the holiday spirit, you know what I'm saying? So maybe I go to the store, cop some snacks, some games, and let's just, you know, come on. Let's get it together here. All right, so I'm gonna bring y'all with me. I'm gonna show you how she's downstairs watching Alvin and the Chipmunks. I told him I was gonna show them the moper.
The moper is under the blanket naked almost.
Nah, no, I like that, but I just.
But you don't like the moping part?
Yeah, like we gotta get you in a holiday spirit or something.
Yeah, the holiday is over.
No, it's not. It's New Year's. You're not supposed to be going into the New Year's. Into the new year. I keep saying New Year's.
No, black people always do that.
Yeah, New Year. You know, moping.
Moping?
Moping.
Aw, she's blue. Poor Queen. Come on, Claire. We know you can do it.
She's here watching Alvin and Chipmunks. Look at this chipmunk.
You know you feel bad if you watching Alvin and Chipmunks and you not smiling and laughing. They are hilarious. Hey, little chipmunk. At least Legend's happy.
He was watching Alvin and Chipmunks, and he's over there going through this little worm here. But Queen's moping, watching Alvin and Chipmunks. Legend, you watching Alvin and Chipmunks? Yes?
Yeah.
Maybe next year.
No. F next year.
Oh.
F next year. I don't know. I feel like it's very dark in here. Look at it.
Turn the lights on.
It's very. We gotta turn shit up. Like, let's get some music going. I'm about to run to the store. I'm gonna get us some liquor. Then I'm gonna go to Target and I'm gonna pick up a few things to maybe liven up the place.
What from Target could liven this place up?
I don't know. I'm not gonna know until I go there and find out. Hopefully I get to find some. How that sound?
A paperclip compass. Now I'll never get lost.
Sound good. What?
Because what was the thumbs up though? Like, you just really confuse me sometimes. Like, who winks and gives a thumbs up? She confuses me sometimes. Yes, I'm going to the liquor store. And then I'm going to see if Target's open and run to Target.
Is it New Year's Eve?
Yes, it is.
Oh.
I think they closed early today. That's why I got to hurry up. But while I go do that, I need you. No, I gotta take the tree down.
Look, fellas, let's make sure.
That's what you want to do? Is that how you get lit?
I'm not your.
No, I was really supposed to be freaking finished trading up that room with that music on, and then came down here to eat Shake Shack, and that's what happened.
All right, fuck all that. Just while I go do that, maybe get this area,
Music, manage
you know,
your career
together and get yourself together.
You telling me to clean up?
No, not clean up. Just get this, because I'm probably gonna.
He said, clean up, clean up. You want to clean up song, y'all? So the whole purpose of this is just clean up, queen, and get dressed and put a smile on your face is what he's trying to say. I'll say it for you, Claire. I'm with you.
Be like right here, probably gonna be.
I want you to tell me to clean up.
Nah, we don't really need to clean up. This area really doesn't. Just the table. Right down the table. And then get yourself together. Too. So you feel better too. Alright? Put some clothes on, maybe. You don't gotta put panties on if you don't want to. You just put some clothes on.
really nice.
Okay.
Alright? Say yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. Legend said it for me.
He said, excuse me, you my daddy. Stop being fresh. He said, I said.
Yeah, I'll help you right now. You wanna go in through the side? Or you want me to put it on top of you, or what you want? You wanna get in it?
What'd you get?
Loves his Christmas toy. Yay.
Stadium's bombed.
Great. Well, you're in luck because you took the lead.
Wow, that's a nice camera. It's a nice camera.
Where's Daddy? Daddy left. Daddy left. He's not here no more. Can you see me?
Yeah, in a way.
Daddy left. Come on, son. Connect with me. We're connecting. Say we're connected.
Just again playing with Legend. You know, that's great. They having so much fun. Claire is in such a good mood today. I love it.
It's very hot in there. I'm claustrophobic.
Bro, sweating? Well, we proud of you, Claire. You claustrophobic and you did it anyway for your son. That's it, Daddy. Yes.
Nah, it's dumb hot in there. You go in there. Does it get hot in there? Here, let me see this. Look at Mommy. Who's that in there, Legend? He said, get out.
He don't like it when Queen get in there. You remember last time for Christmas he cried? He said, Mama, I don't need you to disappear like this. He said, I know you in there, but you can't get out. He's so helpful.
You want Mommy to get out? Yeah. Why you want Daddy to get out? Yeah.
He just keeps saying, yeah.
You want Mommy to get out?
See, Legend's smart, y'all. If you don't know the answer, do it really cute. Yeah. He got a reason, but he ain't gonna tell us because he ain't trying to get in trouble. Boy, it's smart, I tell you.
All right, y'all, let me get going before I know it's New Year's. The stores might even be closed. I might be getting a little ahead of myself because the stores might be closed. It could, I don't know. But let me hurry up and go get out of here. What is he doing? Yo, potty head. You got a potty head. That's actually very nasty. Your doodle probably be splashing.
You need to put your butt on there instead.
I'll be back.
Okay.
No, don't look at me like that.
Like what? Why are you saying like you're still up your sleeve?
I'll be back. I don't have none on my sleeve, but I'm trying to brighten things up around here.
Okay. No, legend.
I don't have none on my sleeve. I'll be back, guys. This is gonna be my first time vlogging with this big ass camera too. In the public.
And we going with Claire. Hey, I love it, Claire. Thanks for taking us with you, bruh.
It look like nothing's there, right? Then watch this.
Where are my car heads? Who likes Corvettes? Comment below.
We made it. We made it. 10 targets.
I mean, that thing is fast. You saw how we got there in no time? That was no time at all, people. Zoom.
I feel like we're gonna need one of these. For sure. First line of work is to find the board games. Excuse me. Where's the board games? Your board game? Go this way. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. I'm like a bad direction taker. Like, Shorty said back there, like, nigga, just tell me which way to go. Make this left right here, bud. And
yeah, give me an aisle number or something. I want you, Claire. What aisle is it in? I mean, back there. Like, you know how big Target is?
go down aisle 8. Like, nigga, it's by the back of the store. Like, nigga, what the fuck? Depending on where you're standing, there could be 4 different back of the stores. If I'm right here, this is the back of the store. And if I'm over there, that's the back of the store. Like, shorty's crazy. But this is my first time vlogging with this big ass camera. I see a guy actually staring at me like I'm weird, but fuck it, you know? Alright, so what I had in mind was I was gonna get a bunch of board games, maybe some.
Alright, see, I feel like we in a huddle. I feel like it's you, me, and Claire trying to figure out how to make this new year fun. And of course, MH is there. Hey girl, you know, she in the huddle too.
Airsoft guns, like some Nerf guns. Just mad little shit to do in the crib, you know what I'm saying? To just turn it up. New Year's is not really a holiday, you know, but I just want to have fun, you know what I'm saying? I want to bring in the new year having fun with love, you know what I'm saying? With the people that love me, the people I love, you know? Like, let's do it. I think I would get this.
That's a plan right there. All right.
How do you feel about this? I think Queen would get a kick out of that. Queen would definitely get a kick out of that. You know what I'm saying? Like old times when shit was just simpler. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go with this. Gonna throw that in there. We might drop a little bag in here. Oh, I think this is fire right here. Look. Sticky targets. Got a little competition. Whoever loses drink. I feel like I get a couple games, couple card games like this. Never have I ever. We could get that. Never have I ever. 5-second rule. How y'all feel about that? I don't know. Seems kind of boring. Growing up black memes. So you got jokes. See who has the funniest, most out-of-pocket sense of humor by selecting the best caption cards for the chosen meme. All right, we're gonna go with this too.
Good. I think Queen gonna win that one. That sounds like a couple videos, Claire.
Some late night shit. Let's get deep. Nah, we ain't getting that deep. First, we don't need to be getting that deep. Taboo. Ooh, taboo at night. See that? It says moist up there. That's all I needed to see. Definitely gotta grab some Connect 4. Who remembers when me and Queen, one vlog, we was at like this store in NYC before she got signed and we was playing Connect 4. This is a different one though. You gotta shoot it in.
Y'all remember that?
That's gonna be me and Queen right there. Alright, y'all, so now I got a couple things in here. Now I'm looking for something for Legend, because we ain't gonna be able to have no fun if he's not occupied having fun doing something else. You know what I'm saying? So
All right, see? Daddy be thinking. I like it, Claire. Man with the plan.
look what I saw for him. Think he would like it. What you guys think? It's a walking big-ass piano. Think he would like it. Man, the things I would do to put a smile on my family's face. He got so many pianos, but fuck it. Let's do it. So, since we got the games and the card games and stuff, now it's time for the snacks. You know what I'm saying? There's really no party without some snacks. So, we've already...
And we all know Clare is the king of snacks. Don't at me. Y'all go back to the old videos where he was in the tub with the snack. You remember tub time with snacks? I think he need to do that again.
Picked up some munchies, flaming hot fries. What else we need? She likes peach snapples. Peach snapple for the win. I feel like I'm wilding right now. I'm going crazy, but now we're on the DVDs. It might be a long night, so we're gonna go DVD. I remember when we was in the movies. I think we went to go see some movie. We had seen the coming attractions, or the previews. In the previews, they showed this movie, and she wanted to go see it because it was called Beast. You know what I'm saying? And you already know our security guard had passed away, and his name was Beast, man. So shout out to my boy, man. Happy New Year's to my boy. Love you, man. So we about to pick up a
Rest in peace, Beast.
few more. That movie, maybe pick up like one more, and then we should be good. In the comment section, real quick, please let me know how I'm doing, man. I'm really trying. I really just want to see a smile on everybody.
I think you doing great, Clare. I really do. Y'all go ahead. See, I already gave him this thumbs up. So while we on the subject, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Yes.
Face, it's real gloomy, real, I don't know, man. I love them, and I love people. I just want them to have fun, man. You know, even if...
Oh, Clare, you get a virtual hug. He doing a good job. Pat on the back, bruh.
It's boring for me. Just want everybody to enjoy that day. But let me know in the comment section how you guys think I'm doing, man. I got food here. I got games, drinks, snacks, movies. I'm gonna go through all of this when we get to the crib. Woo. Now, one thing I'm worried about is how the hell am I gonna get all of this into the whip? Because I did bring the Corvese out today. I don't know if that was smart, but fuck it, we're gonna try to get it done.
Sport car problems. That's all right. But you know what, though, Clare? You don't have a passenger. Besides us, of course. So you could just go ahead and put it in the seat. I mean, it's kind of disrespectful to the vet, but it's yours. You do what you want to with it. You know, so whatever you can't fit in the trunk, does it have a trunk? Go ahead and load up a seat then. Ow.
Over here so y'all can see me. I got a front. This is the only thing that really saves me, bro. The fact that I got a front trunk.
Okay. I like it. It is small, but that's okay. I think we can do it.
Literally the only thing I see. Let's see. All right, let's do it. Boom. Happy New Year.
Oh, he is so cheerful today. I love it. Yes. Start the new year right off, bro.
Let's get it. All right, y'all, we back. We finally back. I got these flowers. I had to stop at Publix real quick. I ain't know Publix was open.
Oh, now, come on. Now, come on, Clare. What are you trying to make? Boyfriend of the year already? All right, you get an extra clap for the flowers. That's a nice touch. Now, if this girl, he got the libations, he got flowers, he got games, he got snacks, he got stuff for the kid. I mean, she gonna be happy. Watch.
But I was driving by and I seen it was open. And Publix always, they got a flower section with real flowers. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all take that.
Yeah, that's tight. Man, I'm jealous. I want a Publix.
Tipping. Publix, they got real flowers, gang. You know what I'm saying? Don't go Publix flowers for a special occasion. I'm just saying, if it's like something quick, you just want to make her day, a little smile quick, Publix got flowers, gang. Just saying. So let's go in. I don't know if she's still in the shower.
He ready for the commercials, y'all. Y'all need to go ahead and let him do y'all commercials.
We're not, but we're about to be recording just good. Just gonna put that right there. I'm gonna bring the stuff in, gang. All right, let me break it down for y'all. Yeah, I just had to set everything up, just everything I bought. So let's start over here. We got games, Connect 4, some power popper shooter thing. We gonna get lit with that. Then we got Nerf guns over there. Then we got card games, late night games, erotic games, sexy games, or some batteries just in case.
See, that man be thinking. I be telling y'all about Claire. He brought batteries. You know, the games don't mean nothing if the batteries ain't in there now. Come on. Come on, Claire, come through.
Candy, got to movie. We got face mask. We got a hand.
We love Idris, yes. All right, Idris. Okay, with the chocolate in the chocolate movie, man. Okay.
Mask, because Queen's hand be dry sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Got to be mindful.
Yeah. I mean, really? So considerate, Claire. Now, come on, Queen. I mean, I'm already sold.
Then we got homemade pizza. If she's hungry, we're going to make a homemade pizza. I'm out of breath, so don't worry
The pizza, Claire.
about me. And we got some flowers. We got party hats. We got a Lunchables. We got popcorn. We got more snacks, chips. Then we got some cheese over here. And then I bought her a daily planner because she said she wants to, you know, start just being on top of shit this year. So I got her a whole daily planner for the whole year, gang. Whole year. Then it's not done. We got the ice cream. We got Snickers ice cream balls. We got caramel cookie crunch. My favorite, just for me, pistachio, gang. So we all set. And then she asked for Reese's so she could put in the ice cream because that's what she like to do. And then that's for Legend right there. Please let me know how I did. I'm fucking
Is sweating. I mean, you know, well, your man just trying to make you happy. He go through all this stuff. That's special. The bruh out of breath. He's sweating. He ain't worked up a whole situation. He gotta go sit down. You did it though, bruh. You did it. That ain't even me being petty. I appreciate all that effort.
sweating. I've been running around trying to get here before 12. It's about 9:30 right now. I'm about to go take a shower, get dressed, put some cologne, look sexy. You know what I'm saying, for my woman. You know what I'm saying? Have a good time. We're gonna have a good time tonight. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible. But let me know in the comment section how y'all think I did, man. How y'all think I did, gang. Let me know. I love y'all. I need to go shower, take these clothes off, gang. Say, I want a gift.
I want the gift.
Look. What's that? What is this, Legend? What is it? Is it a piano? What is it? What is it? It's a giant.
Puzzle.
It's a giant piano.
Piano. It's a giant.
Look at that. It's a giant piano. Look at you.
All right, Queen. I see she wearing that gift that she got for Christmas. And
this is so cute.
Even though you're used to being all, you know, like chill and like you, I don't know. We're gonna turn up tonight. We're gonna have some fun. So right here, remember when we was watching the previews and there was the movie was called Beast?
And we never got to see
I found that. I got you some candy.
this is so sweet.
I got you some flowers.
Hold on, let me wash my hands because I just had two dirty pull-ups.
Yeah, so I got some party hats, some New Year's Eve hats. I got some games, some card games, like adult games. Some of them are a little freaky, you know what I mean? Like I said, I got the Beast joint. I got some face masks if you want to do some face masks. And I know your hand be dry, so I got your hand mask too.
Thank you.
No problem. And then so you can be a little more organized this year. I got you a planner. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully that help you.
Thank you.
Got some cheese. If you get hungry,
Nice and sweet.
let's make a homemade pizza. Right?
Yeah.
Homemade pizza for the win. Would you like that?
Yeah, we could do that.
I got some hot fries.
Okay.
Man, we need to have some fun. We need to have some fun. I'm not gonna lie.
And then what's the Nerf guns for?
We is not that old to be like, we gonna get drunk and we gonna fight Nerf guns. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
don't be scared, Queen. I appreciate Queen though. She made the effort though. I think she feel like, she's trying to be into it. So okay, Queen, good job with that.
I got some of this too. I heard this goes really well with the orange juice I bought. Makes like a Grinch. TikTok. You know I'll be on TikTok. Anyways.
Alright, so what we doing first?
Finally downstairs. Whatever you want to do first. I think we should make like a little drink. And then if you're hungry, we could start making a pizza if you want. Or snacks. Play a game. Whatever. What you want to do first? Pink lemonade?
You think this is gonna be good?
I don't know. They look good. That's why I got them. All your ice cream is in the fridge.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
I got a little candle too. Smell this candle real quick. On camera.
Pineapple papaya. This sounds like it smells good.
Smell good, right? We could light that while we playing the game and shit. Or the movie, whatever, you know?
Okay.
Why you smiling?
Cause I'm awkward.
Why you so awkward? Why you being awkward for?
That's a good camera, man.
Yeah, I know. It shows
everything.
I don't got a haircut.
My eye bags,
I'll move it to the back.
pimples.
But yeah.
This is a real me, y'all.
Let's
Thank
do
you,
it.
honey bun. That was very thoughtful of you.
What you want to do first?
I want to play on Legend's piano.
Legend. Seems like he loves the piano.
You don't want mommy in it? Look. Here.
Legend, do you know how to play birthday song on that? No, not yet.
Look. Look, mommy play it.
Really good?
It's good, it's sour.
Sour,
It's good.
Sour candy. Oh, they look good, so I
Sour
got them.
chips. You still like having...
You like your flowers?
I do. I was gonna smell them on the camera.
The only place that had flowers and was open was Publix. They real though.
I love the smell of them. And these are very pretty.
They're like orange, yellow, and then that one's all roses over there.
Good to get y'all flowers, love. Still alive, y'all. Thank you, honey bun.
Make sure y'all give your girl her flowers.
Yeah.
But you
need flowers too.
busting them straws down. You busting them shit down.
I want these too. Okay, y'all, this is the titty pizza reveal. Clarence is downstairs having a little smoky smoke. So, this is how it came out. Y'all, I had to burst them bubbles right there.
Oh, that looks nice.
But that's the good part. That's the titty part of the pizza. Over here is the better angle, but you guys, I think it's gonna be good. Usually Clarence is very critical of food and stuff, so hopefully he likes it. What do you guys think? How's it look? I know the presentation not that good, but usually it tastes good. All right. Oh, well, wait. Oh, wait, hold on, wait. Let's do my touch. Ooh. Oh. Now remember I told y'all Clarence is very critical of food. I ain't gonna lie, I tasted y'all, it's not all of that. So I already know he gonna feel the same way. If I was you, I would put a little salt on there.
Nah,
We didn't really season it, or I didn't. I think it's like that because you didn't help me do it, maybe.
Yeah, but you just started making it. That's why.
I know. I was just trying to hurry up. I should have seasoned the...
I forgot to tell you.
I'm not a pizza maker, y'all. I mean... Sorry.
Damn.
Oh, here, take a spatula. Here, do this.
I'm not laughing. I'm really not. I'm just smiling hard. He need to work on that arm anyway, right?
Got out the mud. Oh, God.
I need to put my things on it. A little bit of palm.
Oh, you put parm on here? I need to do the same thing.
A little bit of palm. Gotta put some of this. Gotta put some of this.
Red pepper
pizza.
flakes.
Alright. They're not bad. It tastes like spaghetti pizza.
Spaghetti pizza? Did I use the wrong sauce?
No.
I should have used the pizza sauce, right? Dang, I just was trying to use what we already had.
Yeah, I had the opportunity to get that one, but I thought the other one would be better. But it's not that bad though.
It's not? Okay, I thought you was gonna be like, I hate it.
It's not that bad. I think the Parmesan though really stepped it up right there.
It did?
I think so.
Let me try.
And the pepper flakes. And I think we should have put it on top of like a cooking sheet, so everything is soft, you know?
I don't like it.
Queen doesn't like it. You're not eating it. All right. That's why I bought some snacks too, though. We good on the snacks.
To be honest though, I did have a Shake Shack burger. I don't eat it. I mean, it's not bad. It's just like if somebody would have brought that to my door in a box, I would have called up to...
You'd have been upset.
I would have called up to the place and got my money back.
No.
Would you get your money back?
Probably not. I'm probably gonna finish that slice.
You're just saying that to make me feel good.
I'm gonna finish that slice, and then we're gonna...
Then we're gonna have a snack?
Yeah.
Is we gonna play the black memes game?
Some ice cream and shit, yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all, so we're about to play this growing up black memes game. So basically the object of the game is, it's really supposed to be 3 people, but it's only 2 of us. So whoever goes first is gonna
We'll play with you.
put like a meme on the easel, and then we can't see our cards, so we each have 6 cards to start out with. And after I put the easel up there, or him, we gotta pick the best caption of our card that we feel is the best, and then I'll pick one. So like we'll both pick a card, and then we have to decide which one is actually funnier.
So these are the memes right here. The
Yeah.
memes are like bigger cards. So the meme is gonna go on this.
Yeah.
This
On
thing
that
right
easel.
here. And then we gotta pick a caption from one of these guys.
Yeah.
All right.
And then also like we could show them too, so they could pick which one they think is like better.
Let's do it. So you wanna, who go for you?
Queen's so sweet. She letting us play with her. Y'all go ahead. I'm gonna let y'all answer. Y'all comment in the answers what y'all think they are.
Okay. I'll go first. Let me pick a meme. I'll do this one. This is the one I'm picking, y'all. All right, you gotta go first though, babe. You gotta pick, look at your cards and pick the best one that fits all of those.
Damn, a lot of these go.
Just pick the best one you think that fits it. Remember, you gotta save some for other memes.
Yeah, I got it. So what do I do? I just put it down or show them?
Yep, put it down.
So
and then I'll put my, oh yeah, you wanna read yours? Or
no,
wait,
put
let
yours
me pick,
first.
yeah, let me pick one. Look at it. Let me see what that looks like. That one fit. Dang. Okay. I got one. All right, ready? All right, let's read which one is better.
Right. 3, 2, 1.
When you see that one family member that didn't cook but wants the pack out to go play. When you paid $40 for her OnlyFans and she
On there, freestyling. That's a good one too.
It is. Dang, which one is funnier?
Which one y'all think is funnier, gang? Let us know. Which one y'all think? Mine? When you see that one family member who didn't cook but wants to pack the hell of the goat plates, I'm not gonna lie. If I see that, I'm gonna be like, oh, what are you doing? When you pay $40 for OnlyFans and she on there freestyling.
I don't know, that's funny too, because like, you want to see some stuff.
You think she about to go on there, go crazy on there and...
Dang, which one you think is funnier?
I don't know. They're both good. I'm not gonna lie, I had like 3.
I feel like Claire's. Now I understand why, you feel some kind of way about the OnlyFans is you pay money for it, but I've had that other one happen to me, so that's why I'm going with that.
Get them in there that could have fit this one. I mean, you had a lot in there, or?
No, I really didn't, to be honest.
Oh. All right, so next.
Wait,
so do I pull a beat?
Which one? Okay, we gotta really decide which one is funnier.
But how are we supposed to do that? We should just let them decide.
Yeah, we're gonna let y'all decide. All right.
First 2 rounds.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, he about to pick a meme now.
So I pick it from here, like up top?
Or anywhere,
I can't look?
anyone you want.
Over?
Yeah. We just making our own rules. Bro, I knew you was gonna choose that one. Bruh, this man, he always been so funny to me.
Nah, he's hilarious. All right, so what, these go here or something?
Yeah, you just put them to the side. Bro, I want to draw more cards, but it's fine.
Oh, like more of these?
Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, we can always pick more. The best one that fits it.
Put yours. We'll be getting lit playing cards, y'all. This the meme right here.
I got one. All right, ready? You ready to flip our cards? 1, 2, 3. Let me read yours first. When you say yeah instead of yes, and your dad say, so you think I'm one of your little friends? That's funny.
But yeah, let me read yours. It says, when you playing truth or dare at the party and they dare you to leave. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. I think he won right there.
Yeah. I think Queen won too. That's funny.
It was really hard for me to actually find one for this. That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, they dare you to leave. Oh, that's sad.
He looked like niggas just told him to leave.
Oh. No, it's the lips for me. Like, that's funny.
He got like a Whopper in his hand. And he got one of the things that come with the...
That's a good game.
All right.
I like this game.
What y'all know about these right here? Did you know about these before?
Those are good.
Before me?
I always thought they were.
I was about to say, this is a little hood snack. I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
That's a fact. I used to eat these back in the day. But I just made a rich cheese sandwich. That's a lot of cheese though. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's a lot of cheese?
Yeah, but you're gonna eat it. A big glob of mozzarella.
Is it mozzarella?
Yeah. Right?
I don't know. I thought it was just cheese. I'm not gonna lie, I already filled a little. But that's because I took a shot earlier though. Well, oh, that would be good. That would be good.
Instead of the pizza, we could have did this.
I forget the sauce.
Yep.
1 minute later.
Look at the meme I just
That's funny.
I just picked, yeah.
That is funny.
Let's see which one we're gonna pick it.
Dang, I ain't got none that matching.
I think that one's probably the best one.
Dang, that's the best one I could put.
That one don't go, yeah. Yeah, I think this one goes the best. Copy. All right, what was yours? Go ahead.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, flip. I'll flip mine.
When you pick the wrong space partner and lose.
When you say something, I think yours is funnier.
When you see someone get their food, but you ordered before.
I think yours is better.
That's funny. Them niggas be hurt. So Queen is about to join church real quick until midnight.
I'm joining church, y'all.
All right, do that thing, girl. God bless you, girl. That's all right.
I go to church until midnight. Virtual church. God bless her heart. Make sure you pray for me in there.
What'd you say?
Make sure you pray for me in there.
Because a lot of people are like God.
I'm about to go downstairs, do my thug desert.
Not me. Oh my Lord. Jesus, forgive me, God. This is wine. Jesus made wine.
She was about to prop the phone.
God, if you know that my heart is going to be broken, why did you allow me to have this?
Hey.
Happy New Year!
Hey.
Happy New Year.
So I was downstairs and Queen was up here
Yeah.
for New Year. But
Well, he came up here
Happy
and gave me a
New
kiss while I was in church praying.
Year. Yes, he did.
Oh, babe, I get to bring in the New Year with you.
Another one, like DJ Khaled.
Wait, we got, gonna be year 5 for us.
Wow.
What can you say about,
Got my hat on.
what can you say about it being year 5? I know it hasn't been perfect.
No. Wouldn't rather with no one else. You know?
Hmm?
Oh, that's so sweet.
Wouldn't rather with nobody else. Really wouldn't.
I wouldn't rather either.
Happy New Year.
My action figure.
Look at your son over there taking ours.
Put your PP in, legend.
I'm a little litty.
Bubbles.
Yo. What you doing? supposed to? You gonna shoot me? Yo, what are you doing? You got bad aim.
No, I did it on purpose. I did it just to scare you. Don't shoot me.
Don't shoot me.
I didn't shoot you, did I? I shot at the wall.
Yo, I see you though.
Babe, honest to God, like, I'm not about to shoot you.
Okay. You know you gotta.
I know I gotta pull back. That's what I'm saying. I ain't gonna shoot you. I can't.
Let me see.
No, because you're gonna shoot me.
I could have shot you with this.
Oh, dang, you hurt. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. All right, you know what?
Those probably hurt though. Did you just cock it back with
my teeth? Yes, I did.
That's not good.
She from Detroit. Don't be playing with Queen.
Babe, put your leg down because your balls is out.
Yo!
I was shooting your balls. Move, Leggy.
Go ahead, shoot me. See if it hurts.
Did it hurt? You shot me twice, so I gotta get you twice.
Yeah, you want to shoot one? Legend, you want to do it? Yes. Shoot Legend.
2. All right, my hand hurt. Oh, this. Ooh. Oh. Cute. Did you hit him?
There's no more. Get him. Get the balls. All right, what's up, y'all? I wanted to come on here and end the video with just some words. Don't mind me. I'm a little smacked too. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get on stream and shit. If you haven't, make sure y'all tune into the Twitch. But I just wanted to say, man, Happy New Year to everybody out there, man. Everybody who supports me. Even if you don't support me, Happy New Year. I hope everybody accomplishes their...
Oh, Happy New Year, Claire. Happy New Year, Petty Fam.
Their goals, you know, this year. And I hope everybody just improves, you know, and that's really all you could do day to day. And if you just keep improving every day, then like, I think Will Smith I think he said, like, if you just take it day by day, it's like a couple good days turn into a good week, and a couple good weeks turns into a good month, and a couple good months turns into a good year, you know. But if you just take it step by step, I feel like I'd be so, bro. My mind, I don't know about y'all, bro, but in my mind, bro, my mind be so in the future, bro. And like, I know exactly what I'm gonna do and what's gonna happen and how it's gonna go, that like, I don't focus on now. And that brings me into like my next point, bro. I have to, and I feel like this leads me to a couple points. I feel like I gotta kind of slow down on the weed. I gotta change the relationship I have with Tina. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like that because there's nothing wrong with it. There's not really nothing wrong with it. I
appreciate that, Claire. You know, that's self-introspection, you know? So he's thinking about, like, you know, I'm a dad, I'm getting older, you know, and it's good to limit yourself, you know, a little bit, or just, you know, and if you want to quit, that's fine. And if you don't want to quit, you know, just cut down.
I feel like it doesn't allow me to live in now. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, everything is like so fucking, oh my God, like this, I'm too many ideas. Like, I just want to live in now. Like, and I feel like it's about time, you know what I'm saying? My whole relationship with it kind of started with like, it started off as like, it sounds funny, but it started off like as a friend, kind of. When I was, you know, starting to grind and do my thing, like that shit was like me. That was us. Like, you know what I'm saying? We was going, but like now, bro, I don't need to have that same relationship with it. Like, I'm doing good. Like, I'm okay. Like, I'm not going through this trauma. I'm not broke. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want to enjoy it and I want to feel it. If that makes any sense. I'm probably chatting to y'all, but kind of just want to feel it, you know. What else do I want to talk about? This year, I'm not gonna even bring up my clothes. I'm not gonna blame anything or anyone. I didn't put my clothes out because of me. Bro, it wasn't an easy year. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't an easy year. Going to funerals, losing certain people, going through this shit with my pops. It wasn't an easy year, but I'm not gonna use that as an excuse. This year I'm gonna put out my clothes. I know I said this last year, but this is the furthest I've ever been, guys. I don't know, maybe my design process takes a little longer than most people, but again, I'm working, like, I'm not in the same spot that I was last year, but I'm not where I should be. I know that, but I'm just gonna try to celebrate the little ones, the little wins too. You know, I'm just gonna celebrate the fact that I'm not in the same place as last year when it comes to the clothes. But it wasn't an easy year. I think it was a very stagnant year for me too. I think in the earlier year I was real depressed and just fucking out of it. That's why I wasn't recording and shit. And then the fourth quarter, fourth quarter of the year, I felt better. That's why I started recording. Like now I feel like recording. Like I get up and I want to record. I want to work. I want to get on the phone with the designer. I want to do the clothes. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want to go chill with my friend. I do want to, like, I want to go out to Miami and chill. Like, I want to do things, you know what I'm saying? In the later end of the year. The beginning, bro, just stuck in the crib. I was just stayed in the crib, didn't go outside. Like, just fucking streaming, doing, like, it just... And I just realized you can't pour from an empty cup. You can't pour from an empty cup. I got some therapy. The therapy, oh my God, yeah. The therapy, that shit helped me so much. I'm not gonna lie, that's what got me out of it. That's what got me out of the depression, the mental shit that I was going through. Is the fucking therapy, bro. I had to just lock in and just really, nigga, get my fucking mental right. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, I'm just dealing with old shit. I'm dealing with new shit. The new shit just piling on top of the old shit. And it was just good to, like, get that shit out and just talk to somebody, get somebody's opinion, somebody to tell you that you're not wrong, you're not...
Yeah, that's good. That's good, Claire. And thank you for sharing that with us.
Bugging, or you are bugging and you are wrong. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, building a relationship with somebody, like, bro, we be having relationships with people that you can't, like, niggas don't even... you know, talk, or like, it's just, bro, it's just, I really appreciate therapy, man. I really do. If you're going through anything mental, bro, or even emotional, bro, go get some therapy, bro. I know that should be probably expensive, or like, shit sounds foreign to niggas, but if you can, if niggas, you get somebody to pay for it, if you get insurance.
There's free therapy too, y'all. Y'all just go ahead and Google or whatever. Look up some free therapy. There is free resources out there if you need it.
So if you could get, bro, anybody, bro, I don't like, even if the therapist is your aunt or something, like, get that shit, bro. That shit made a huge, and I only did like, what I did, like 6-7 sessions. 2023, I want to continue doing therapy. You know what I'm saying? The therapist I did have, it was a woman. But she said a good point. She said that I've been surrounded by women my whole life, you know, like not being raised by a father. She thinks that it would be very healthy for me to have a male therapist also, you know what I'm saying? A strong black man that could kind of help me and weave me through this life, this thing called life, you know? Because, like, my mom did her best, but, like, I never learned. I still haven't learned life, you know? And then, like, at the same time,
That's very introspective. I think that'd be very helpful.
I haven't learned life, and I'm trying to raise a life and raise 2 lives, and it's hard, bro. It's not an easy battle, but man, 2023, I haven't looked forward to a year this much in a long time. Like, I feel good. Like, I really do. Like, I don't want y'all to sit here and feel bad for me. Like, right now, bro, I feel good, bro. I'm in a good place. I'm recording, which I love to do. I'm streaming, which I'm falling in love with it because I fuck with it. Like, Twitch is a whole nother... Like, I love y'all over there on Twitch, for real. I feel good, you know what I'm saying? And we're going into 2023 trying to just be more consistent, more disciplined, more strategic. I want to start strategizing. I've been fortunate and grateful for, like, having, like, you know what I'm saying, receiving, you know, a substantial amount of income, you know what I'm saying? Where, like, what am I trying to say right now? Kind of smacked. Oh, I'm blessed where, like, YouTube has really, like, worked in my favor, you know, but again, I've never really been strategic with it. Like, yo, I wake up at 9, I could do this video, then send it off to the, like, with me, it's like here, send it to the editor, get me a thumbnail. Like, it's just so, like, whenever, you know, like, there's no, like, boom, nigga, wake up 9, record, send it over by 11, have him post it. Like, it's just, like, be a little more strategic, you know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, you getting older. Like, let's strategize. Let's have a strategy to it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like, so more consistent, more disciplined, and more strategic, man, for this year. That's what I'm trying to bring in, man. And I'm just trying to spread love and positivity, gang. You know what I'm saying? I'm like a hard shell. I know I'm chatting now. This wasn't even supposed to be that long, bro. Damn. I'm just gonna end it, y'all. This wasn't even supposed to be that long. I love y'all niggas. This is probably already a long ass video. I'm sorry, but I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And you know what I'm saying? I hope everybody goes into the next year just with everything they want, man.
I hope that too. Thank y'all, Petty Fam. We appreciate the love, support, and thank y'all for watching. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for watching the videos. Happy New Year to everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Know Squad. I'm going to let him finish.
Everybody gets everything they want this year, man. Just work for it. Just keep going, man. Anybody with mental health issues, and again, mental health doesn't mean you're like, you know, that like there's something wrong with you, bro. It's just, bro, your emotions can, most of the time, is going to get the best of you. You know what I'm saying? And if you don't handle past traumas or current traumas, bro, they're going to stay with you. There's no such thing as just cleaning out the closet and forgetting the past. Like, no, traumas stick with you. And if you don't handle those, they're going to carry on to you. You're going to put it on to your children. Your children's going to put it on to their children. And you're just going to create a bad cycle. Like, it's just going to create a bad cycle. So just get it handled. Nothing to feel ashamed about. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying that, like, nigga, I went to therapy. I went to therapy, gang. But I loved it. I recommend it for everybody. And I love y'all niggas, man.